So this is me last year. This is me mid last year. Take a look at my size, my tummy, everything about me. So I gave birth to my baby and she was just 1+, and that's me. I'd already lose a little bit from there. And this is actually what I drank. Yeah, if you want to know how I came up with this drink, please keep watching. Watch till the end.
This ain't Texas. Ain't no hope.
I love being your love.
So fam, I went ahead to get my mango leaves. These are mango leaves. When it comes to weight loss, mango leaves are great, and also it's a traditional medication. Okay, so if you have malaria, typhoid, drink mango leaves. And also I have my white watermelon. Please, white watermelon. And of course we do have our pineapples. That's it, already peeled pineapple peels. I already had a video on how pineapple peels really works wonders when it comes to weight loss. And these are my guava leaves. Make sure you get the right one. I had to order mango leaves. Oh my god, in China you order everything. Back in Africa, Cameroon, you don't need to order mango leaves or even guava leaves. Like, why? And here we do have cloves. These are my cloves. A handful of cloves are gonna be included there. And also I have my cinnamon, just like you saw there, and I put everything in the pot. Trust me, this is so medicinal. If you are having a fever, this will work wonders for you. So don't play with all of this combination. I literally grew up seeing mango and guava leaves as a potential source of healing, and trust me, it doesn't really fails. And I'll go ahead to add my lemongrass. Yeah, lemongrass or fever grass is okay. And I'll go ahead to boil everything. Please cook it, not boiling. Cook until it's all boiled. And I'll go ahead to add my zucchini. You can see I already chopped it out. I didn't want this video to be so long, but then that's how it works. And this is my combo, guys. Just take a look. I made sure I cooked this for 30 minutes. Cook until you see it boiling like this, and make sure you come in between intervals to stir, and just like you see me doing. So I had to put in 2 pots. So I cooked this with 5 liters of water each. So you can see, take a look and see how everything is turning out to be. So remember, these are definitely leaves that you need to boil and cook really well in order to be able to drink it. So just take a look, it's boiling and it's splashing out. And so you have nothing else to do than to come along to make sure that everything is really being dipped in and steeped in. Just like you see me, you can see my cinnamon sticks right there. So trust me, it's not this, you know, when something involves guava leaves, I don't know if you've ever tasted guava leaves, but guava leaves are super bitter. You know, it's really bitter. But then mixed with some white watermelons and some other zucchini, and also watermelon, and also pineapples, that you can actually see that, well, it won't be so bitter. You can actually drink it just like that, or you can as well add some honey, which is definitely what I'm gonna do before drinking. So cook until you can't feel the rawness of it no more. And I also went ahead to add my ginger. Sorry, I didn't mention, I added a little bit of ginger. So take a look. This is how it's supposed to be. You can see that the leaves are already brown, so that's how you're supposed to do it. So guys, mind you, you have to do it this way in order to definitely get the right combo. Take a look at how it looks like. I definitely had to sieve it and then put it in here. And this is me when this is me this year in July. This is me in July. And also this is me in that same month, probably August. Yeah, August. And so this is me. You can see how my skin is. I lose weight, and you can see from the video, you can see everything from here. It's a journey, and you just have to be consistent, and mind you, your diet has to be really, really great. And I'm making sure I don't lose my butt and also my very vital part of my body. I just make sure I lose my tummy and some weight without shaking myself so much. And this is me on Sunday, like 3 days ago. This is me. Take a look now. Take a look.